Welcome to Carr Lane Manufacturing. My name is Sheldon Thompson, Director of Customer Experience. Today we'll dive into the integration of automation within our machining center. For hand knobs, the process begins with manual loading into tray 2. The CNC machinist programs the robot, and with a simple push of a button, the robot springs into action. The robot adeptly picks up 2 to 3 knobs at a time and places them within the ROM-held jaws on the vise for the machining process to begin. Once finished, the robot unloads the finished knobs and replaces them with new, unfinished ones. The robot ensures proper loading and unloading to prevent errors. Knobs are machined, threaded to size, and replaced with new knobs. The integration of automation within our machining center has revolutionized our production processes, making them more efficient, consistent, and productive. Stay tuned for more glimpses into our cutting-edge solutions at Carr Lane Manufacturing.